deep inside an African cave where sunlight never reaches. An invisible entity lives. Not a ghost, not a myth, but a virus. A virus that, in 1967, etched the name Marburg into the annals of global medicine for the very first time.
Today, we go in search of Marburg, the first filovirus humanity ever encountered.
And still, one of the deadliest members of its family. Every virus has its own structural story, and Marburg is no exception. The Marburg virus exhibits helical symmetry. Its structure is defined by the surrounding lipid envelope.
The virus's outer envelope reveals the coiled nucleocapsid within. The genome is a single...
The genome consists of single-stranded, negative-sense RNA with a size of approximately 19 kilobases.
This negative-sense RNA is like an inverted instruction manual. It must first be converted into positive-sense RNA before the cell can read it.
And that's precisely when the virus begins tricking the host's cellular machinery.
I don't understand these figures. It behaves like nothing we've seen.
Yes, Doctor. Very strange.
August 1967. Marburg, Germany. A lab technician develops a high fever.
Bloody vomiting and skin rashes. Doctors are baffled. What could be so rapid and so deadly?
31 cases reported in Germany and Yugoslavia. Source: African green monkeys imported from Marburg.
The outbreak began in Marburg in 1967, but the virus soon spread.
Angola, the deadliest outbreak. 227 out of 252 infected patients died.
Like many dangerous viruses, Marburg has a natural, asymptomatic host in the wild, the Egyptian fruit bat.
These bats carry the virus without falling ill.
Virus shedding occurs through their urine, feces, and saliva. Humans typically become infected when entering caves or handling contaminated tissues. Viral particles shed from the host accumulate in the environment.
This bat is neither villain nor hero. It's part of an ecological balance. When that balance is disrupted,
Marburg is not just a virus. It's a meticulously orchestrated strategy to dismantle the human body.
diagnosing Marburg in its early stages is like finding a needle in a haystack. Why? Because its symptoms mimic dozens of other diseases.
Every sample from a suspected case must be handled with the caution reserved for a nuclear bomb.
Today, there is no approved specific treatment for Marburg, but that doesn't mean there's no hope. Supportive care.
Investigational therapies are being explored. MR191N, a monoclonal antibody, was 100% effective in non-human primates.
Others, like favipiravir and remdesivir, have shown efficacy in lab studies.
Marburg isn't just an African disease. In a world where a single flight can render borders meaningless, any virus can go global.
This requires educating local communities, strict infection control, contact tracing, and global emergency preparedness under WHO supervision.
Marburg was the first filovirus to jolt us awake. It reminds us that nature maintains a delicate balance. But knowledge is our weapon.
It's all right, little one. It will only sting for a moment, and then you'll be safe.
And every video, every lesson, every test is a step toward preventing the next catastrophe.